Here's all you'll need for some delicious Asian type chicken wings. Said chicken wings, a lemon, a couple of cloves of garlic, thumb sized piece of fresh ginger, some demerara or brown sugar, some honey, sweet chilli sauce and some soy sauce. First thing we're going to do is just dry them out a little with a paper towel and pop them into a bowl. Into your dryish chicken wings we're going in with some salt and pepper. And also into there with some plain flour. Then just give them a good mix round. Then these are going into a low oven at about 120 degrees Celsius for around half an hour, but on the bottom shelf. We don't really want them to cook through and get crispy yet. So onto a baking tray of sorts go your chicken wings. With your chicken wings in the oven, it's time to make your marinade sauce. Into there I've got the grated ginger and some garlic, and then half a freshly squeezed lemon, and then it's in with four tablespoons of your brown sugar, a tablespoon of your sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then get those mixed together. When they've had half an hour on the bottom shelf at a low heat, you're going to turn your oven up to 220 degrees Celsius and then pop them into the middle of the oven for about 45-50 minutes till they're nice and brown and crispy. With your chicken in the oven, we're just going to heat the sauce up, and we're just going to gently heat it so that it reduces down. About 5 or 10 minutes. When your chicken's nice and brown and crispy and your sauce has thickened up, it's time to put them into a bowl and then add a bit of sauce to them. And then all that's left to do is crunch away.